welcome to episode 1 of Puppy Pals. Go.
Help!
We just lost the ball. Let's play Throw the Stone. Woody! So about that, that's my little sister. Yeah, you throw the stone. Be careful because you're getting in the camera. We don't want to be YouTube. Well, you're going to be anyway now because I'm not editing any of that out because I can't be bothered to, so don't even just give me. My guy's throwing the stone. She's got a t-shirt the wrong way around, is all I'm saying. How is it your daughter being a YouTuber? Oh my!
Stop throwing stones!
Kaylee! She's in technical difficulties. So about that, we had some difficulties. We kind of still do. Yeah, she's staring at me. The devil is. Buddy, come on! Because me, she's in the thumb. She's in a big thumb. Come on! Blubber, 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 blubber. Jelly.